Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. And in this video you will see how to crochet simple leaf with beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's crochet the leaf. I will begin from the chain, make a chain. Then I count 8 seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. I already counted 8 seed beads. Take the working yarn behind the seed beads. Pull it through, make a chain. Make single crochet between seed beads. Like this. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Then I count 3 seed beads. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook between 2 beads. Make single crochet. Then chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. I skip 2 seed beads. Insert the hook between the second and the third. Make single crochet. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. To complete this round, I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. My row is ready. Let's crochet the next round. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make single crochet. Work into the chain space. Make single crochet. Half double crochet. And 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Then half double crochet and single crochet. Well done. Work into the 3 chain space. Make half double crochet into the chain space and 5 double crochet. I will make the peak on the top on the middle. Double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. This is the middle one. I take 3 seed beads. Pull up the working loop like this. Take the working yarn behind the seed beads. Pull it through and pull it. So my picot is ready. Insert the hook into 2 loops. I need to do the working loop. Pull up a loop like this. Make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2 and half double crochet. Let's stop and look what I have done. So my picot is ready, and here how it looks at this point. It is very simple and beautiful. So I work in the same way as I showed you before. Make single crochet, work into the next chain space, half double crochet, and 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Half double crochet and single crochet. Complete this round. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My row is ready, and my leaf is almost ready. I just need to continue. Make chain of 7. In your case it could be more or less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then chain more for transition part. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make slip stitch into each chain stitch like this. Here what I have, I'm working with each chain stitch. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make a slip stitch. And to complete this work, to secure the yarn by making a chain and pull it, I will remove the yarn along the stitches using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. And let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. For this project you can use variegated yarn or one color of yarn. It could be perfect like separate motif, or it could be part of big projects such as Irish or guipure laces. Also you can use it for earring or another decoration or accessories. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this motif or element. And please subscribe to my channel and don't miss my new video tutorials. All information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!